Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails.
Here's an email. I want to stop the check payment of Rs 2,222 towards XYZ Corporation. Check number 14444. We have issued another check to them since the signature of the previous check does not match the bank records. You inform the branch manager about this. I come to the branch today since I am unwell. You instruct the team to not process the check. I come to the branch tomorrow and speak to the manager about this. You call me on 2222 for any clarification. Words such as can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would are used to express a command, a question, or a possibility. Such words are called modal verbs. Unlike verbs, modal verbs do not change form based on the subject. Let us look at the different modal verbs and understand their use. Use can to express a person's ability to do something. For example, I can write an email. Use could to show that something is possible. Use could if you are in doubt. For example, I could write an email at 6 a.m. Use may to ask permission to do something. For example, may I write an email to the branch manager? Use might to express a possibility of an event happening. For example, I might write an email if you don't complete this report. Use must to indicate a strong obligation. For example, you must write an email when a fraudulent transaction takes place. Use should to give advice or to tell someone that they must complete an action. For example, you should write an email when you complete the audit. Use will to say that you are sure of completing an action or to give a command. For example, she will complete the report and send an email. Use would to ask a polite question. For example, would you complete the report and send me an email? These modal verbs are used to add information to a decision or to make a request. Now that you know how to use modal verbs in different situations, let us look at the email sent by the bank employee and correct it. Since you are making a request, use will or would. You inform the branch manager. Since you are sure you will not go to the branch, use cannot. You are making a request, so use could. You instruct the team to not process the check. You are sure of going to the branch tomorrow, so write I will come to the branch tomorrow. You are requesting them to call you for clarifications, so write you can call. We hope you have now understood how to avoid errors related to modal verbs in your work emails.